Today, we're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM kit, optimized specifically for AMD Ryzen systems. Let's start with the aesthetics. Boasting 10 ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module, this RAM adds a mesmerizing glow to your rig. But it's not just about looks. The Corsair ICE software gives you full control over lighting effects, allowing seamless synchronization with other Corsair RGB products. Beyond the flashy lights, this RAM delivers where it counts. With a custom performance PCB and carefully screened ICs, it ensures top-tier signal quality for unrivaled stability and performance. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this RAM handles it all with ease. Speaking of performance, it's optimized for peak performance on both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. This means you're getting maximum bandwidth and tight response times, perfect for squeezing out every ounce of power from your system. And for those enthusiasts out there, the tightly screened memory offers extended overclocking potential, letting you push your system to its limits. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM is not just a pretty face, it's a powerhouse of performance and style. If you're looking to take your rig to the next level, look no further. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.